Hey guys, and welcome back to Smoky Films. Today we are working on the MX5. In one of our previous videos you could see a drift event that Wilbo here had done. He made it through the event all good right until the very end, where the nut off the front of his turbo came off on the way home. So we are here today to replace the turbo with a new Garrett, direct replacement for exactly what he had, and hopefully we can get the thing back on the road today and potentially going up for sale. If there's any of you guys that wants a turbo MX5, hit us up in the comments because it might be up for sale very soon.
Alright, what do we have, my friend?
Alright, this here is a Garrett GT25 54R. It's really little. It's like a T25 with sort of G-series core in it. Perfect for an MX5. This car makes 180 kilowatt, and it's nowhere near the peak of the boost range. So this thing could do a lot more, but I have stock internals, so we're not going to do that. We've got a couple more goodies, new gasket, some locking tabs. I'm sure a lot of people have had their T2 gasket blowout. These will save your life. These are the best. I've done over a year of driving and not lost a gasket, but now we're going to ruin it because I got a new turbo.
We actually just put one of those locking flanges onto Jesse's turbo because we were having issues with his manifold and his gaskets, so that's actually what we just did to his as well.
So basically this is just a almost stock VVT motor. VVT isn't running just due to torque down low. It's got head studs, running link CAN lambda system with an IAT, so in that beauty shot you probably just saw, none of the intercooler pipes are hooked up. Drove it here with none of them hooked up, and that's the beauty of it. It'll get you out of a lot of trouble.
100%. Okay, what is step one for taking off turbos on MX5s?
Strut bar.
Strut bar needs to come off. Need to create some space. Alright, let's go get some tools. Hey, look who decided to turn up.
Damn, your manifold's so easy to take off.
Nah, it ain't that easy. That's good. Forward.
So I think from memory, Jesse said he was keen to do the dump pipe.
No? Do you recommend people go V-band, Jesse?
I think I do, yeah.
Why's that?
Because dumps are dumb.
Don't let V-bands fool you though, bro.
Why's this?
Lining them up sucks. Do it every day.
Damn, I've actually never lined one up.
Me neither.
But it'd be better than dealing with that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna say, am I making the wrong decision by going V-band?
Well, my S14's V-band.
Yeah, yeah.
That's right.
Damn, it's a good coolant, bro. I just did it.
Ooh.
Hello.
Fine.
Sometimes I just want to like swim in it.
I want to drink it, but I know it tastes bad.
Looks like some Boston cordial.
Right?
Does
dude?
look like some Boston cordial, but I know it's not. I drank so much when we were trying to fix the leak on this.
It's like salty.
It stays in your mouth.
And it doesn't go away.
Once you've tasted it, it's just there.
To Wilbo, for the gifted in the mechanical world, for you to get this turboed, what did you have to swap out?
Literally just had to convert it to coilover plug. You can use the stock wasted spark setup, but you won't make as much power, and it's not really as tunable. Bigger injectors, bigger fuel pump, and then realistically you can slap all the turbo pieces on and run it, and I did for quite a while, and unfortunately it lifted the head, and that's just due to the stock head bolts, and they're not rated for 180 kilowatts. Now it's got some ARPs, and then other than that, it's a stock motor, and it keeps going.
And she boogies.
Soon.
Yeah.
Cheers. One event old.
Okay, what are you looking for? A big extension?
Just any extension.
That one?
Wilbo's got the hookup, supposedly.
What's wrong with this?
Ah, that's what I was looking
It's
for.
in its spot, bro.
Okay.
How's the 180 doing, Jesse?
The 180 has a big cock drawn on the side of it.
Does it?
Currently, it needs a wash.
Oh, he hasn't
oil.
been watched since the drift event?
No, it
Figure
needs
8 makes your car dirty.
a wash and an oil change, and I just cannot be bothered to do either at this time.
That's literally how you have to check the oil in this car.
Nice.
I wanted a new one and they
nice.
sent me the wrong one.
Dogs. Bit like that. I always buy like S13, S14 shit for my car and it never works.
Yeah, dead set.
Jesse's got the same
I
problem.
buy S13 parts, and it turns out I need an S14 part.
Yeah. Literally though.
This is my favourite ratchet ever.
Okay.
This goes.
Okay.
Okay, those hand movements, bro.
That's why chicks dig mechanics, bro. Telling you.
This guy gets it. Bro.
And he pulls the soul. How did you pull the soul? I don't know the lyrics.
Yeah, you want to do a giveaway, Jesse? This foil pack, this one right here.
That one?
Yeah, 50 comments and we'll give it away.
I think Wilbo's pretty safe to keep that.
Yeah, straight up.
This is where you die.
Yeah, stomp on that shit, bro. You tell him who's boss with those Crocs. Get wrecked, bro. You're supposed to have a nut that holds that all together. No longer. It is there. Can you move that from behind? Not really.
Probably.
Oh yeah. Do that. Very loose. And it hits on everything now. Turbo gone.
Sound.
What have you learned from that experience, Wilbo? Honestly, nothing.
Honestly, nothing. 'Cause it shouldn't have happened.
Yeah. Car was stopped early enough and there's no chunks through anywhere, so. And he has the nut.
Yeah, I don't know where it is actually.
Yeah,
it might
but
be in here somewhere.
he found the nut and yeah, so it didn't go through the motor, which is a good thing. Isn't that right, Graham?
That is right.
There it is, I found it.
Boom, we weren't even capping. It's actually here.
How much did that nut set you back?
$1,500. These ones have
Past the due date?
they've seen some stuff.
Can you describe the stuff that they've seen?
Screwdrivers.
Screwdrivers and hammers.
Yeah.
What we just do, Wilbo?
So here we've split the housings. We're doing this because from the factory this is more of a S chassis low mount setup, whereas this is an MX5. We've got a clock turbo, so we've got the housings apart. We've just moved the oil drain to the bottom and put the outlet where I need it. And so we need to try and get this circlip on, which is 10 million newton meters of pressure and sucks and is really loud and might take someone's eye out. Just what your fingers did. Yep. Alright, that's kinda in.
There you go.
Dunzo, that was easy, kinda. Our next step, getting the rear housing where we need it. So I think this is pretty simple.
Basing everything off this turbo.
Yeah. Copy it, and that, just about there.
Turbo.
So we got the whole hot side ready to go in. Hopefully it goes in nice and smoothly.
But I'm not going in. Because I'm the hot side. Let's go. Let's go.
Making up some cordial. Let's stop it. Start hearing hitting the ground.
This is gonna take forever, man.
Straight up.
5 years later.
Nice. Yeah, we're good. Such quiet heads in these motors, eh?
So bad at backing out of your driveway. Tighten the wheels and shit up, yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.